Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the bear drink. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1.5 ounces of a rich, dark rum, which forms the base of our delightful concoction. Next, prepare 3/4 of an ounce of sweet honey syrup. Also, have 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice on hand for a bright, zesty kick. Finally, ensure you have 2 dashes of aromatic bitters to add depth and complexity to our unique beverage. Now, let's move on to crafting your bear drink. Take all your measured liquid ingredients and pour them directly into a sturdy cocktail shaker. Next, add a generous amount of fresh ice to the shaker, filling it about 2/3 full. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for approximately 15 seconds. This ensures all the flavors are perfectly blended and the drink is thoroughly chilled, creating a smooth and refreshing experience for you to enjoy. Once your bear drink is perfectly chilled, it's time for presentation. Carefully strain the well-mixed liquid from the shaker into your chosen serving glass. For an optimal experience, we recommend using a chilled old-fashioned glass. Next, gently place a large, clear ice cube into the glass. This melts slowly, preserving the drink's integrity. Finally, add a simple yet elegant garnish, such as a fresh lemon twist or a few ripe berries, to complete your masterpiece. Now, the best part, savoring your perfectly crafted bear drink. Take a moment to appreciate the beautiful color and aroma before taking your first sip. Notice how the sweet honey, tart lemon, and rich rum create a wonderfully balanced flavor profile. This unique beverage is truly perfect for a cozy evening by the fireplace or a relaxing moment after a long day. We encourage you to share this delightful and distinctive recipe with your friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.